Nike. Nike. Hey. Go. You sit down. Sit down. Hey. Get your foot outside. Put your ass down. Put your ass down. You're under arrest. I like it. Put your ass down. You're under the arrest. That's a new word right there for the SPD. So put your ass down. You're under the arrest. Not put your hands up. Said put your ass down. Put your pants down, Kurana. You're under the arrest. You know why? That's what they told me. The sheriff at the Kakaaku station. Hey, they told me, undress yourself. Take out your clothes. So I took out my clothes in front of them. I was wondering, am I in the physical examination doctor? I was in my mind niya at February 11, 2026. Am I in the right place or is this sheriff okay? Because I got false arrest at the State Hawaii Capitol that day, February 11, 2026, for asking for help, for meeting with the I guess she's the captain for sheriff in Honolulu, Hawaii. She's the leadership of a sheriff of Shihiro or something. Anyways, yeah, we had an agreement. We had an agreement, you know, communication. Me and her meeting, you know, for discuss this, the security that made a disrespectful into public at Hawaii Public School. That 1 week before that, 11th of February. The security guard that works at the Hawaii Public School, officer superintendent in Miller Street. That security guard was being dangerous. Unprofessional security, no trust security. Posturing in public, in front of the teachers, saying like, I've been going over there. I mean, keep going back and forth over there. It's only my second time, I've been honest with him. Well, he can just look at the video camera inside the building and see if I've been going back and forth. So it looked like there's no video surveillance camera at the Hawaii Public School. So bad boys out there. So you know what I mean. Anyways, yeah, but yeah. So it looked like there's no video camera inside that Hawaii Public School. The office superintendent in Miller Street. Anyways, now let's get back to the Shihiro. Yeah. So we had an agreement, you know, communication 2 days before I got false arrest on that day. So what happened is we had a meeting. You know, I had to do, you know, do some writing in Hawaii State Capitol at the ground level.